Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And this is how to change IP address on Windows 11. So first thing that you will do is simply go to your start menu over here down below and search for control panel. And once you are here guys, just simply go to network and internet. And now from here, just go to network and sharing a center. And now once you are here, as you can see, you will have your connections. So just go for your Ethernet, click on it. And from here, guys, just simply go ahead and go to properties. And after that, just simply click on Internet Protocol version 4 over here. And after that, as you can see, make sure to click on this. Use the following IP address. And from here, just simply provide your IP address that you prefer, the subnet mask, the default getaway, and also provide the preferred DNS server and alternative DNS server. And now guys, once you have provided the information, just simply click on OK. And from there, you'll be able to change it. There you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just comment down below. And thanks for watching. See ya.